Let's get straight into it. 2003 Chevy Silverado. Of course, she has the 5.3-liter LS engine backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. She was a driver. Frame and floor pans are solid. Nice little old truck. Let's check her out. As y'all can see, the paint is in good shape. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Interior's nice and clean. Seats in good condition. Headliner. Let's check out that dash. We'll check out the mileage on startup. Upper dash. Lower. The engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 5.3-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Let's start her up. Mileage reads a little over 166,000. Y'all make sure y'all go over and check out RollerMuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Nice little truck. Don't miss out, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.